Díocuit agus fáilte. In this Irish language video, I'm going to share with you 5 easy Irish conversational phrases that you can use throughout the day. Let's start with this one. Dairg me ar a seacht ar maidin. I got up at 7 this morning. Dairg me ar a seacht ar maidin. Next, thóg sé brise ag man le. He took a break at midday. Thóg sé brise ag man le. The next one, tá mé ag dul go dtí an Victorlan tráthnóna. I am going to the cinema this afternoon. Tá mé ag dul go dtí an Victorlan tráthnóna. Next then, rinne mé mo dhinnéir agus déach mé ar an telefís go máil tráthnóna a réir. I made my dinner and I watched television late yesterday evening. Rinne mé mo dhinnéir agus déach mé ar an telefís go máil tráthnóna a réir. Next, bhí mé a muig go man ihe ach bhí anna spree a gcuin a réir. I was out until midnight, but we had great fun last night. Bhí mé a muig go man ihe ach bhí anna spree a gcuin a réir. So that brings us to the end of this video. Please give it a like if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to let me know in the comment section some of your favourite phrases in Irish. Thanks for watching, agus slán go fóg.